Yes, what you see over here is a protruding belly which you all have and you desperately want to get rid of. It's here, 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 everywhere. And I'm going to show you 5 easy exercises to target your belly area so you can get a flat tummy. Just like this, a slim waist, a flat belly, to be able to fit in your favorite size of jeans and to have a slim waist. These are simple, easy, affordable exercises which you can do in the comfort of your own home, completely beginner friendly. No equipment needed. That's why they are so affordable and not at all time consuming. You can actually work out in just 5 minutes such easy, simple exercises, because if you are overweight, I suggest you should not jump or you shouldn't be doing any strenuous or very hard exercises, because eventually it's going to hurt your knees and then you won't be able to exercise at all. So do these very exercises which have no jumping in it for you to be able to lose this very fat, targeting your waistline. So for the first exercise, it's literally nothing. Just stand in a place with your hands folded like this in the Namaste position, and then you have to lift your knee as high, bringing up to the elbow without putting your hands below your chest level, like this. That's how easy and that's how effective it is. Yeah, have a look. For the second exercise, again, you stand in the position you're already standing in with your feet this wide apart, and you have to keep your elbows like this, not below your chest level but around your chest level, and take it sideways like this and twist. For the third exercise, you have to take your hands above your head, lock your palms, then sideways you have to bring your knees up. For the fourth exercise, you have to open your legs this wide, slightly wider than your shoulder width apart. Then you have to squat and hand up like this. exercise is the simplest of all, so there should be no excuses. Like this. 2 taps. Then you change the leg. After being so fit and toned, I'm sweating already and I'm huffing and panting. What I suggest for all of you is to do these very exercises not once but twice a day. First half and second half at your own convenience. Be it before bedtime, be it after you wake up, suit yourself. But don't take any excuse for granted because you're actually moving and losing on time. You need to now finally get your dream body with this very easy workout that I just showed you. But is it possible with just targeting your belly fat? No. You also have to understand what goes inside the belly through your mouth. The food that you eat should be balanced, healthy meals a day. You have to understand the importance of food in your diet. Because if you're eating processed food, junk food, high sodium food, salty, sugary foods, and also sugary drinks, then you're surely not going to lose your belly fat. Also, main reason for this belly area to have stubborn belly fat is the cortisol levels in your body. If you're going through a too stressful time in life, so just calm down, take a deep breath, understand if you can't change it, then might as well accept it. And let's move on. Do these exercises, eat healthy food, lose weight, and look fit. But if you need help and you need to join a paid, personalized, customized program, then this is your right choice. The trusted name in health and wellness. You can click on the link below and join my weight loss program. I have a team of certified doctors, dietitians and counselors on my panel. And also, if you're looking for chat support, I have my own very application. What more do you need? I will be supervising your plan and I will be customizing every diet according to your needs, your likes, your dislikes, your timings, and according to your time zones as well. So you can feel free to contact me with the link given below, and I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.